Viewers, today we will show you contrasting pictures of two South Asian neighbors dealing with coronavirus. While India is relentlessly working to flatten the curve by implementing strict lockdown and developing everyday multi-pronged strategies to challenge the pandemic, its neighbor Pakistan on the other side is dealing with poor implementation of lockdown, low-quality medical facilities and economic emergency, with its leaders paying no heed to the nation's deteriorating situation. A report.
With steadily increasing number of COVID-19 cases, Indian scientists and research bodies are working at war footing to combat the deadly coronavirus. The country's scientists have deployed themselves over time to provide small and big solutions, from predicting statistical trends and making mathematical models to developing rapid paper-based test kits and low-cost ventilators. In a recent development, scientists in India have come up with a cheaper diagnostic test for the coronavirus that can deliver results to patients within 30 minutes. Named after a fictional detective character created by Indian filmmaker Satyajit Ray, Feluda is a paper-based test strip developed by a group of 7 scientists at a lab in Council of Scientific and Industrial Research in New Delhi. The test uses a CRISPR-Cas-based approach to diagnose COVID-19. The paper strip has 2 lines, a control line to check if the strip is functional and a test line which appears if the case is positive.
ये पेपर बेस्ड जो टेस्ट है एक जैसे कि प्रेगनेंसी का टेस्ट होता है, जिसे डिप करके उसके पता चल जाता है, कागज़ का एक जगह पे रंग आ जाता है इसका, तो ऐसा ये टेस्ट है, पेपर बेस्ड टेस्ट। तो ये हमारी जो IGIB लैब है दिल्ली में, इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ जीनोमिक्स एंड इंटीग्रेटिव बायोलॉजी, यहाँ के कुछ युवा वैज्ञानिक हैं, उन लोगों ने तैयार किया हुआ है और बहुत ही शानदार टेस्ट है ये, कि ये 30 मिनट के अंदर बता देता है कि किसी को कोविड हुआ है या नहीं हुआ है।
A contrary and negligent picture has emerged from India's neighbor Pakistan, which is touching heights of failures in dealing with coronavirus pandemic. Like the rest of the world, coronavirus outbreak is a real crisis for Pakistan. Yet the government does not seem to be prepared for the emerging disaster. The seriousness of the government in dealing with the pandemic can easily be gauged by the bizarre remark made by Pakistan's Minister for Planning and Development, Asad Umar, on the ongoing global crisis. While addressing the media, he said that it is due to God's wish that coronavirus had not been as lethal in Pakistan as has been in other countries.
अल्लाह ताला का करम है कि पाकिस्तान में और पाकिस्तान जैसे ममालिक जो हैं, वहाँ पर जो इस खित्ते में जो ममालिक हैं, वहाँ पर ये बीमारी उतनी मोहलक नहीं साबित हुई कि जितनी ये यूरोप के अंदर या अमेरिका के अंदर हुई है। और ये फ़र्क जो है, ये कोई थोड़ा बहुत फ़र्क का नहीं है। अगर आप देखें तो अमेरिका जो है उसमें 58 गुना ज़्यादा आबादी को बराबर करते हुए और उस अरसे को यकसां रखते हुए जब हम मवाजना करते हैं तो 58 गुना ज़्यादा हलाकतें हुई हैं अमेरिका के अंदर, 124 गुना ज़्यादा हलाकतें हुई हैं बरतानिया के अंदर और 207 गुना हलाकतें ज़्यादा हुई हैं स्पेन के अंदर।
In the wake of increasing number of coronavirus cases, the country is still not carrying out enough number of COVID-19 tests. Till now, the country has reported more than 24,000 reported cases and 600 deaths. Meanwhile, healthcare workers in Pakistan have been voicing concerns about the inability of Pakistan's healthcare system to cope with the increasing number of COVID-19 patients. Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan, on the contrary, has decided to disregard all their concerns and ease the nationwide lockdown, despite the fact that the number of coronavirus cases has been accelerating on a daily basis. The easing of the lockdown comes with many across the country already openly flouting its restrictions and gathering in public during the ongoing Islamic month of Ramadan.